my vegetables. Well, my soon-to-be vegetables. Here we have some yellow corn. We have 4 rows of corn that's sprouted. This is yellow corn. Next to that we have 2 bean plants. I'm not sure what kind of beans they are. We also have some blue corn that not so many sprouted, but it's still hopeful. And we also have a few other bean plants next to that corn. Here we have some cabbage. As you can see, a lot sprouted. Next to some cauliflower. Just a few sprouted here and there. Right here we have some heirloom onions that are barely springing out, so hopefully we have a few. Down the middle, down these 2 square feet right here, I have some marigolds to separate some of the stuff, as you can see, with the Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and onions. Here in this corner we have some carrots. I tried planting some carrot seeds, and there's a few that are growing, a few that are sprouting right here on the edge, right there, as you can see. And these are going to be the tender sweet variety. Hopefully I get more other seedlings coming up. Right here I have a few other beans next to the blue corn. Hopefully I get more corn that sprouts later on as the time goes by. But yes, I actually have a trellis I need to be making. I also have watermelon right here. I got a bunch of little seeds that have sprouted in front of the corn, so they also need a trellis to go up. So I will be doing that this weekend. So this is the bed, my raised planter, as you can see. Here is my potato planter box. I have some potatoes in there. Hopefully they will be sprouting leaves soon. I have a sweet potato on top that has some leaves growing, so hopefully that'll root too. And here on this hedge, I planted some sunflower seeds. Hopefully they'll sprout, along with other flowers, marigolds, snapdragons, zinnias, California giants. Hopefully that will attract more bees to pollen, and that will pollinate more vegetables too, which means more fruit for us.